I'm staying away in Luxembourg in this very nice hotel. This gives me some time in the evening to catch up with my backlog of videos to edit. Whilst I was editing, at my feet something kept grabbing my attention. At first I thought it was a reflection or a shadow or something. But no, this box was flashing at me. Before we work out what it is, it only seems to flash when disturbed. The one in my other room never flashed or did anything that I was aware of. I know what you're thinking, but please reserve judgment to the end of the video. You're probably thinking this is a PIR motion detector, right? So did I at first, but it's not. There are PIRs in the corridors to bring the lights on, which are the same style but have an obvious lens on the front of them. Believe me, I know what a PIR looks like. I've never seen one with a white walk test LED, and PIR for what? It doesn't turn the lights on or off. You could say it's an occupancy detector for the hotel staff to see when a room is occupied. But I disagree. If the white LED was an indication of movement, it rarely flashes. And I observed it flashing when I was not moving and nowhere near it. Besides, the important part of any PIR is a lens, and this doesn't have one. It could be a night light, but the one in my other room never came on. And what's the point of a night light when it rarely comes on? It blinks and nowhere near bright enough. Some rooms could have a visual indication of the fire alarm activating for the hard of hearing. It could go red when the fire alarm activates, but why does it need to blink randomly or continuously when disturbed? My other thought is it could be a light sensor to perhaps turn off the TV after a short time when the lights are turned off in the room. I don't see the point, because what happened if the person in the room left the lights on and went to sleep? The truth is, I don't know what it is, but I couldn't resist and take it out from the wall. In the back were two wires, a live and neutral. I have a part number. After I googled it, I found it. It is an info light signal. It looks like it could be used as an indicator outside a room, and the caption is printed on the paper insert. The PDF confirms it is an info light, which would be controlled or switched on from a separate system, or just a switch. It runs from 240 volts. But why is it in my room without a paper insert saying what it's indicating, and why does it flicker at random times, but especially if I tap it with a screwdriver? Very weird.